We just want to pause at this point and just show you a picture from the affidavit of Lieutenant Colonel Halls.
Thanda ukuthi ke sime kancane la sikhombise ke isithombe esaba ku affidavit ke eka Colonel Halls.
Exhibit DD5.
Exhibit DD5.
On page 17 of the affidavit, the image is on the screen.
Isithombe lesi ke uthola ke ku page 17 ku affidavit kodwa nasiyabonakala lapha nakhona kumabona kude.
There's a male person on the left hand side of the picture. Who is that person?
Khona ke umuntu osilisa ke lapha kulesithombe leso ubani lo muntu esimbonayo lapha? It's my photo.
And the person, the female person on the right hand side of the picture, who is it?
Lo wesifazane ngaku right ke yena ubani lo yamuntu? It's Lebohile.
Yes. Is it the Lebo whose cell phone number is 072-619-1698?
Manje ke uLebo ke lo simbona ke uyena lo onayo le nombolo le ethi 072-619-1698.
Yeah.
Yes.
And you said she was your girlfriend.
Uthebe kuyintombi yakho?
Yeah.
Yes.
We also wish to show you another image that appears on page 13 of the very same exhibit of Lieutenant Colonel Halls. The person on the right hand side of the picture, who is it?
Sithanda ukukhomba futhi esinye isithombe ke lapha usithola ku affidavit ke u page 13 ka Colonel Halls. Lo muntu lo sisandleni sokudla ubani ovelayo lapha? It's myself.
Sandla sokudla singapha.
All right.
Sandla mangimlapha sandla sokudla singapha ngake mangazi ngisho ngasiphi isithombe.
The male person.
Umuntu wesilisa ke lesimbonayo?
Yeah.
It's myself.
And the there's a female person on the screen as well. Who's the can we identify the lady?
Ungasitshela ke ukuthi ubani ke inkosazana lo velayo lapha kulesa sithombe?
Nqobile ngadlamini.
Isinqobile Dlamini.
And what is the relationship between you and Nqobile?
Manje ubudlelwano bakho noNqobile ke yini?
Umuntu engizwana.
It's somebody that I was in a relationship with.
Thank you.
Manje nayo uxhumana ngaleli cala.
She's also part of this, involved in this matter.
You'll recall we're just showing you the pictures as they appear in the affidavit of Lieutenant Colonel Halls.
Sicela nje ukukhumbula ukuthi ke sikhombisa ke isithombe ngendlela ezivela ngayo ke kule affidavit le ka Colonel Halls.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Were these pictures combined or were they taken separately?
Manje ke le thombe lezi sisanda ukuzibona manje ke besihlanganisiwe zombili noma ke sithathwe nga 1-1.
Zindawo engafani ibhasi ngapha indlu ngapha indawo engafani ehlukene.
This is two different places. The other side is the bus and on the other side is the house.
So in other words, these are two separate photos that were combined.
Ngamanye amagama uthi ke ithombe ezimbili ezahlukene kodwa ziyazahlanganiswa.
Eziditshaniswe yimi.
Yes, I'm the one who combined the photos.
When was that?
Ukwenze nini lokho?
Ngoba yena mina ngimgcine ngoJanuary utaditshaniswe yimi ngesekhale zethombe early nje January ne amalanga corona ngoba ube khona ngoJanuary nje ngoba uhambe ngakimi lapha kwe 1-2 ekhaya ku 2020.
These pictures were combined around January, since she was at home around that period, and she left around the first. Uthe mhlawumbe wahamba nge-1.
yena wahamba la kwe-2 ngoba nami nge-2 ngisuke ngibuye naye ngisuke nginyuka mina nge-2 ngisuke ekhaya ngize eGoli.
She left around the 2nd of January, since I was also leaving home, coming back to Gauteng.
Just below the picture, there's metadata. It shows 2011-2020. Is that more or less the date when the two photos were combined?
Uthi ke mhlushisi mawubheka laphana ku metadata ke ukhombisa ke i-date ke kuyi-20 zika-11 2020 kungaba isikhathi lapho lithombe lezi zahlanganiswa ngaso.
Ingakho ngabiza ubaba uRamsipho ngathi akamtshene ubaba uSteno ukuthi unamanga lezi thombe ukuthi iditshaniswa ngale date. Lezi thombe kufanele zikhona efonini yami lezi.
That is why I had informed Mr. Ramusipil to inform Stain that it is a lie that these pictures were combined on this particular date. They were not combined on this date.
Ingakho ngamtshela akamtshene straight lapha kodwa akakhulumwa neqiniso.
That is why I had instructed him to tell him in court that he's not telling the court the truth.
Lesi sithombe sekepezi mangaphosisi iskipa lesi ngisithenga angama 2018 siya December emakhaya. Lesi skipa mangaphosisi.
The picture where I am wearing a cap and a t-shirt, if I'm not mistaken, I bought this t-shirt around 2020 when I was going home.
Isithombe lesi ngashutha ngesebhasi ebhasini masibuye emgodi sithanda ukudlala amakhadi ngoba ibhasi ayisuke ngabona mangihleli so sidlala amakhadi sibeka amakhadi
and this picture, I was in the bus, and normally when we come from underground and we're in the bus, we'll normally play a game of cards. As I'm sitting, it shows that I was still playing that same game.
Isithombe sona ngaba lapha nje ku 20 inyanga ngikhumbula sona zayisana imix wesozi ifakwe so iPhone yami.
Nini?
Zayisana zikhona ukuthi simanje siqhumana le date le akusiyona.
This picture were like this, combined together like this in my phone, but the date is not the correct date. It's not the date.
According to you, just repeat the date when they were combined.
Ngokuya ngawe ke zahlanganiswa ni sicela uphinde i-date.
Mina lezi thombe zihlanganiswe early ngabo January ngoba lo muntu lona ngigcine nje nge-2 mangize eGoli.
I said to the court that I combined this picture early January, and because at the last time I saw this person was around 2nd of January when I was coming back to Gauteng.
And in that picture, we just want to go back to page 17.
So thanda ukuthi sibuyele emuva ke cast number 17.
That picture of Lebo.
Lesa sithombe lesa esino Lebo.
Are these two separate photos that were also combined?
Ithombe ezimbili zahlukene kodwa ezahlanganiswa lezi.
Yebo ngiyazibona.
Yes, I can see that.
Yes, but we are asking you, were they also two separate photos that were combined?
Cha kodwa besibuza nje umbuzo ke ithombe ezimbili lezi besihlukene ngaphambili zahlanganiswa.
Zihlukene.
Yes, it's different separate pictures.
Yes, and they were then combined.
Zasihlanganiswa.
Zihlanganisiwe.
Yes, they are combined.
Yes, so when did that happen?
Lokho kwenzakala nini?
Ezithombe lezi eza early nazo futhi yabona mase ngise February onene ngisakhumbula i-date ne.
These pictures are from February, early February, but I cannot really recall the date.
Zithombe bisane zikhona efonini yami lezi.
These photos were already in my phone.
Ngoba ngikhumbula kahle isithombe lesi ngisishuthe lekhathi ezamalanga ecorona lesesami ngangibuye ekhaya komama ngikhumbula kahle ngangibuye ekhaya komama.
And I recall very well that my picture, I took the picture around the corona pandemic era, and I was from my maternal home.
More or less, when was that?
bekunini
sikhuluma ngo-2020 ngamalanga ecorona corona kanti mahlele emakhaba ku-2020
it was 2020 during the corona days when
Yes.
we were at home
Yes, more or less the month.
inyanga nje kungaba ubani bangaqakela nje
inyanga ngengikwazi ukuyikhumbula ngamakhaya mangangibona lokhu ukuthi ekhaya ngiyeni ngamathawa lapho engakhumbula khona mhlawumbe
I don't recall the month exactly, but if maybe I can be shown maybe the towers that shows when I was
ngoba ifoni
at
yami
home.
khona ngizobuka amathawa bese ngibuka ukuthi ekhaya kwamama ngisuke nomthawa yasekhaya mama ngiyayazi mangisuke ekhaya mama ngizosutha yawele yakohlokolo.
My phone is available. I can check from the towers, then which can show when I was at my paternal home.
ingakho noma kuramse ngangimtshela akatshena uhosi lo mlungu lokuthi akakhulumi lona eqinisi methi lezi ithombe lezi ezale date.
That is why I had instructed Mr. Ramusipele to put it to host that he's not telling the court the truth concerning the dates that is stipulated on those photos.
We're going to show you another photo.
Sizokukhomba futhi ke esinye futhi ke isithombe.
There are there are two persons on that photo. Do you recognize any of those persons on the photo?
Kulesithombe manje sisibonayo ke sikhombisa ke abantu besilisa ababili. Ukhona mhlawumbe amaziyo kulabantu abavelayo lapha.
ugwabeni ngiyambona
I can see Gwabeni on the picture, on the photo.
Page 2966 of Exhibit 6.
manje naso lesi phambi kwekhothi siphume efonini yami.
Are you saying this same picture is from my phone also?
Yes, Exhibit 6.
Yebo ke njalo ke.
akulona iqiniso le.
Page 2996.
That is not correct.
Sorry,
lesi sithombe lesithathe efonini
2966.
kaGwabeni not kweyami akulona iqiniso le.
You took this photo from Gwabeni's phone and not my phone.
mina ithombe ezami noGwabeni sithu hayi nalo muntu ohleli noGwabeni ezami ngoba yimi noGwabeni bengavuka ukuthi nisithole efonini yami hayi nalo muntu lo.
The pictures that I am with Gwabeni on, are the pictures that you will find in my phone, not with this particular person that is shown on this picture.
We wish to draw your attention to the phone book. It's index number 28. The contact is saved as Zungu with the number 076-998-5812.
Sithanda ukuthi ubheke ke ukuthi le ncwadi yakho izingcingo ukhona umunye ke ovela ngo-number 8 lapha kuthiwa uZungu i-phone number yakhe ku 076-998-5812.
yebo ngiyayibona
I can see that.
Who is this contact?
Ubani manje lo uZungu?
inamba kaGwabeni
This is Gwabeni's number.
And who's the person? Who's the other person on the picture?
Manje uba nomunye umuntu lapha kulesa sithombe?
hayi angibone kahle lo ngamazi namazi.
I cannot clearly see the person on the other side. Actually, I don't even know the person.
ingakho ngiyatshela ikhoti lesi sithombe lesi uGwabeni ngiyabona mangungabona isithombe saGwabeni uzothola mina semsweni lo yamuntu lo ya ngwapi isithombe sasingekho ngisho efonini yami lesi.
That is why I'm telling the court that in a picture where there's Gwabeni, you also find me. This other person, I don't even know where he's from.
We're going to show you another picture.
So khomba futhi ke esinye futhi ke isithombe.
It's page 3017. Still Exhibit 6. Can you identify the person on the photo?
Ubani lo muntu lo velayo lapha?
mina ngiyambona uGwabeni phela uGwabeni ngiyamazi.
I can see the person is Gwabeni since I know Gwabeni.
If we look at the status of the photo, it shows carved. And yesterday we went through the meaning of carved. In other words, the picture was deleted and recovered.
Uma ke sibuka ke lesa thombe lesiyana ke siyabona lapha kubhalwe khona ngesingisi kuthiwa carve files. Izolo ke siye sakhuluma ke ngayo carve files asho ukuthi ucarve files lo sho ukuthi ke isithombe leso ke besideletiwe kodwa saphinde futhi ke satholakala.
It says deleted and then it says yes.
Kuyakhomba futhi lapha ukuthi ke sesadelethwa ngithi ke yebo.
Kusenkantolo lesithombe besingakho efonini yami.
My lord, this photo was not on my phone.
Akulona iqiniso isithombe sisefoni yami. Izithombe zami noGwabeni sihamba soyi-2.
It is not correct that this picture was on my phone because each and every picture that it's me and Gwabeni, we are both, it's the two of us in one picture.
Azange futhi ngashutha noGwabeni egqoke so noGwabeni ugqoke ubrand new. Izithombe zami noGwabeni zama-brand new. 2.
And I have never took a picture with Gwabeni dressed like this as depicted on the photo. The pictures that I have with him is when we are wearing Brentwood.
Can you go back to the previous picture?
Masibuyele futhi emuva ke esithombeni lesi sisuka kusona.
The one on page 2966. If we look at the metadata there, it shows carved. We've been through that yesterday, meaning that it was deleted.
Uma ke sibheka lapha ke i-data le yemeta ke nakhona isakhomba ukuthi carved files sokusho ukuthi ithombe lesinaso ke besisusiwe.
And it shows the deleted, it says yes.
Ithi ke besisusiwe nayithi yebo besisusiwe leso sithombe.
Namanje ngiyaphinda ngitshele ikhodi isithombe besingekho efonini yami lesi.
I'm still repeating myself, my lord, this photo was not on my phone.
Angithi nethombe lasibiya nithathe layifaka efonini yami nathi nizithole efonini yami. Zingekho ithombe lasibiya efonini yami.
Even Sibia's photos, you took Sibia's photos and placed them or put them in my phone whilst they were originally not on my phone.
Mina ithombe zami noGwabeni simiswe yi-2. Ithombe noGwabeni.
My pictures with Gwabeni, you find that the two of us is the two of us in one picture.
Anginazi isithombe saGwabeni ehambe eyi-1.
I don't have Gwabeni's photo when he is alone.
Yes. We'll get to this aspect later on. Can we then, regarding Sibia's photos, can we